Doing one more video for PACE 1096, pages 13 and 14. I want to clarify one point here. Very important chart. Again, it's using the main formula of interest equals the principal times rate times time. But on this chart, we're looking up what would the monthly payment be if you had a mortgage for so many years. So I'm looking here, if I took out a mortgage for 25 years and the rate is 4.5%, then my monthly payment is going to be 5.56 times however many $1,000 I'm borrowing. So if I was borrowing $100,000, then I would take the 5.56 times 100, okay? And they don't really, well, they do a short example down here, $40,000, 5% for 15 years, and walk you through that. But I want to show you, just kind of clarify something here. I'm looking at question number 7, which says there's $28,500, and the rate is 7% for 20 years. So let's look at the chart and try to find that number. I'm going to take the 7% column and then find the 20 years, and when I go straight across and see where those intersect, it's right here at 7.75, okay? That's how much the mortgage payment would be per thousand. Now I look at this number, 28,500, and I notice that there's 28,000, but it's a little bit more than that, all right? So we move the decimal to be right here behind the thousands, and it'll be 28.5, okay? 28.5. So let me use my calculator here and see what we get. 28.5 times 7.75. And yep, that's the correct answer. I'll let you finish it. It takes it out to 3 decimal places, but obviously since this is money, you need to round it off to 2 decimal places, okay? But the trick here is to remember that if there is a 500, you do have to move the decimal and use those 3 digits, not just the 28. And otherwise, it's just a matter of looking things up on the chart and multiplying. So there's a whole page of it there on page 14. And then they just kind of build on that over the next few pages. But if you follow the examples and just use the same procedure, the same steps to follow, I think you should be able to get the right answers. And I hope you do well in the upcoming checkup, and you're almost at the self-test. The last section, again, is just a lot of knowledge-based questions, fill in the blank, new terminology, that kind of thing. Not as much calculating, and then you'll have the final test and you're done with this level. All right, so I hope you do well.